Hello everyone, welcome back to Kimberly's Kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. Today we are going to make a dessert that uses only 6 ingredients. It's extremely simple. You will need wonton skin, soybean powder or toasted soybean powder, red bean paste, or you can choose to use the canned paste, which is more clumpy. And then of course condensed milk and toasted sesame seeds. All 6 ingredients. The red bean paste will be your fillings, so texture plays a role in whether you use the fine paste or the chunky paste from the can. Have your wonton skin lay out so that it's easier to reach. Using the wonton skin, fill the center of the skin with about 1 teaspoon of the red bean paste. And wet the skin with water around the skin on the edge to seal. Fold it in half and push the edge inwards. Shape your dumpling by folding it, overlapping the layers and twisting it to seal. At this point, you may choose to add the toasted sesame seeds in or the soy powder with the fillings, should you choose to try something different. Just not the condensed milk, because the red bean is already pre-sweetened. You control how many you want to make. Right now I'm making approximately 12. I think 12 of these dumplings is more than enough to serve as an afternoon tea. I highly recommend you have this with hot tea. Over here, you see that I have a heated pan with about 1.5 cup of water boiling. See my dumplings? Kind of cute, no? Okay, so what you're gonna do is lay your dumplings in the boiling water and cover with the lid. You want to let it simmer in high heat until the water level looks dry or about to be dry, not completely dry. And you'll see that the skin has translucent on the dumplings. Usually this takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Remove the lids and drizzle with oil, about a tablespoon of oil, into the pans and cover with the lid. Let it sizzle for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now you want to check to see if the bottom of the dumplings is golden brown. This will give you an idea of how crispy it will be. Lower your heat for another 1 to 2 minutes and turn off the heat. Now get ready for garnishing. Plate your dumplings on a serving dish and drizzle with condensed milk over the dumplings. That includes even around the plates for garnish, gives it that nice and fancy look, somewhat like restaurant style. Take a pinch of toasted sesame seed and go ahead and drizzle on top. You can choose to do 2 variety of flavors, one with the toasted soy powder, one without, or however way you choose. See? This is how it's gonna look like. Now for presentation purpose, you may choose to add some flower petals of your choice or mint leaves. You can also cut it in half so that people can see how it looks like on the inside. Now don't forget to like and subscribe and share your comments below. I would love to hear from you.
Of course you're gonna edit, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna edit a lot. I'm not like to poop.
it looks so good.